What's up, YouTube? Today we have a special thing we're doing. We're opening up MLP Box. It's My Little Pony's once a month subscription box. Let's check it out. So what do we got?
My Little Pony MLP Box.
What do you think's inside of it?
My Little Pony.
My Little Pony what?
Toys.
Well, let's fill around the bag and see what there is. Why don't you fill the outside of the bag and then tell me what you think it is.
I filled something back here. Filled like a little blind box.
It felt like a little blind box?
Yeah, I still feel it.
What do you think that big thing is?
What big thing?
The big thing is the big container. Like it's square. It looks like it's square. What do you think that is?
This?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't. I want to open it.
What? Do you feel anything on the bottom? Do you think? Do you feel anything else down there?
No.
You feel anything else
I just filled a box.
Fill a little box.
Yeah, and I feel a small box that I feel like it has a toy in it.
Let's see what we got.
To take out the big.
How many things are inside of it?
I feel like there's like 16.
You got it?
Yeah. Scary Doo, my favorite song here.
What is that?
It's a drawing set.
It's a drawing set?
It's a Rubik's Cube.
Is that the blind bag you thought you felt?
Yeah. Unicorn! Unicorns!
That is the old My Little Pony. It's a patch.
That's all. My Little Pony Rubik's Cube.
Who's on all the sides?
Applejack, Twilight, Rainbow Dash, Rarity, Pinkie Pie, Fluttershy.
Yeah.
Okay.
You just tore the whole box.
I think these are stamps. That's what I think.
You think those are stamps?
Yeah. Get a whole bunch of ponies. Take out the stamps now. Ah! Can't open the stamps.
You don't want to rip that, Bubba. There you go.
Stickers. Yes, stickers. Yes. Looks like they glow in the dark. I'm gonna pop out the crayon. Yeah. Pop. I need help getting the stamps out.
Okay, give me a couple seconds. Pop the crayons out first.
I am. There. And it's their body color. Rainbow Dash and Pinkie Pie, and their cutie marks are on the bottom.
Oh, wait, I can't see it. Put it like right here.
Pinkie Pie and Rainbow Dash stamps. They have their cutie marks on the bottom. Yeah! And these are the colored crayons it came with. Purple, pink, and blue. And stickers.
what's inside the book.
Ooh. My Little Pony people. A bunch of My Little Ponies.
Well, you draw a whole lot anyways, so.
Yeah.
We'll have to find a jacket or something to iron that patch on.
I want to try out the stamp. It actually puts it down. And that one just loves the big slob. There we go. That's better. Let's see.
Why don't you put one of those stickers on that guitar right there? The one with all the stickers on it?
Which one? That one?
Yep.
Okay. Which one? Let's go stars. Yep. Sorry.
Good job. You happy with this?
Yeah. I get to make little stamps. Can change your cutie marks.
Alright. Thanks a lot, guys, for commenting, and subscribing. If you're interested in MLP Box,
Hey.
it's already open. If you're interested in MLP Box, there's a link in the description below. And above all else, stay pop punk later.